Hey y'all, it's cold and windy. Too cold and windy to be out here griddling right now, but I hope you're ready for some ribbon. Okay, here's your ribbon. I sliced them as you can plainly see, and they're in my Emeril Pressure AirFryer pressure something. Anyway, it's a Ninja Foodi with Emeril's name on it. I added a cup of water, and I've added some apple cider vinegar with the mother. I don't know what that means, but it's got it. And so I've also sprinkled on some Trader Joe's Barbecue 101 seasoning. It's really good. And finally, I'm gonna just dump some generic barbecue sauce all over these babies. And I'm gonna pressure cook for 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna take them out and dump the sauce and the water and all that. And we're gonna air fry to get the crispy texture like we would get on our griddle. The wonderful sear. Okay? Okay. So, pressure cook 30 minutes and we'll be back. Looky there, looky there. Oops. You can still look. So, I'm going to take these out and drain the liquid. I'm going to re-season. I'm going to throw on the rest of the barbecue sauce. And then we're going to put this air fryer lid on this puppy and set it for 400 for about 8-10 minutes. Get that crisp. And it's going to be good, y'all. And just check that out. It smells so good. And look, the bone falling off. Look how tender. Okay, I'm gonna go eat. Thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, and your helpful hints. Most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. We'll see you next time. Bye!